Fertility is another very concerning topic, especially in our modern society. So, fertility levels have been really dropping alike with testosterone levels, with about 40 to 50%. And this is both for quality and quantity for sperm. So, we already covered a lot in the xenoestrogen awareness guide about fertility. And also regarding the EMFs, both xenoestrogens and EMFs are not promoting healthy fertility in men and in women, right? So xenoestrogens can really affect the production of sperm, they can affect the quality of the seed, they can cause damage via oxidative stress. Same for EMFs, who also have an effect on DNA strand damage. So, first of all, focusing on xenoestrogens and EMFs, that would be the first way to go, as these really target the reproductive organs. And then it's about diet and gut health. So, diet, gut health, and metabolism is like this triad that's improving our hormones, improving our health, and also our fertility, right? So, if we have a leaky gut, there will be endotoxins that can also cause oxidative stress to the gonads and therefore declining the production in both hormones and in semen. Metabolism as well. So, we need enough thyroid hormone to produce also both hormones and reproductive juices. And then we need the nutrients delivered from the diet. So, barbarian diet is a standard for healthy fertility. And I want to emphasize on honey. So, honey is a really great food. It's very healthy. It's not just sugar, it contains a lot of amino acids, it also contains enzymes, protein, and antioxidants. So, honey is a very interesting food for fertility. Just bee products in general are very, very healthy. Then a few herbs like kistange, ginger, ginkgo biloba, cordyceps, or all these Chinese traditional Chinese medicine herbs. They are very good for um, fertility, but in particular kistange. If you want to try out one herb, I would go for kistange, as this both promotes LH, FSH, so testosterone, semen, and it also protects the testicles against various xenoestrogens. Vitamin E, and in essence, actually all the fat soluble vitamins contribute to healthy fertility. But vitamin E is actually called the vitamin of fertility, the vitamin of reproduction. So, vitamin E and taurine are two supplements that can positively affect your fertility rate, but also protect your testicles against oxidative damage. So, vitamin E and taurine both are antioxidants. And then finally, we have the essence foods. And essence foods are a group of foods that are known in Chinese medicine to improve or enhance your fertility. And this is the complete list. So, essence or Jing, which is the Chinese terminology for essence, this is basically your primordial energy, what you get in from your birth through your parents, basically your DNA, your constitution. And by eating essence foods, you contribute to this constitution. And what is constitution in its own essence? It's basically your power to reproduce. So, foods that improve your reproduction can be found in bones, in marrow, in the brain or nervous system, in organs, and all kinds of seafood. So, the Jing essence is associated with the water element. So, the element of water, so the sea, which means all kinds of seafood and all kinds of fish eggs, fish roe, caviar. These kind of things contribute to your essence energy, right? So, what do we have here? We already covered bone marrow, bone broth, fish broth, brains as well, all kinds of organs like kidneys, liver, and especially the shellfish like oysters, crabs, clams, lobsters, mussels, these kind of seafoods, sea urchins as well, fish eggs and fish roe, caviar, eggs in general. So eggs are like embryonic foods; they're great for fertility. And then we have the algae or seaweeds, and then the bee products, of course, royal jelly, bee pollen, but also pine pollen, so the reproductive organs of a tree, and shilajit. So these are the main essence foods. If you include them every day, you are sure to be very healthy and very fertile.